So I've got my 4-pack of flashlights here. The seller did send this to me so I could go ahead and show you everything that comes in the box. And then we're going to go over the features of this. So it does come with a charging cord for each flashlight. The flashlight is actually going to charge right here on the very end. So this does have a runtime up to 14 hours, depending on what level you have this at. It does have 3 different levels. We've got high, medium, and then we also have flashing light, really for emergencies. Now the body is all aluminum. It's more like I'd say a smaller tactical flashlight. Right here is also the button to turn everything on. And then these are actually waterproof too, IP65. Really light, easy to carry. I love that I have 4. That way I can go ahead and put one in each of my vehicles and have a couple in the house, just in case I have any emergencies. And it also comes with a little lanyard here. These flashlights are great whether you want to go out camping or walking around at night, or I like to have a couple in my vehicle just in case of emergencies, or if the power goes out in your house. These are also good if you're going to be walking down the street and you just want some light so other people can see you. Hope you found this helpful.